Hey there, graphic design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Good Graphics. Today we're going to explore an amazing effect in PixelLab, photo text masking. Stay tuned and let's dive in. Now let's open PixelLab and create a new project. First, let's import our image using the Import tool. Resize and position it to fit. For this example, I'll use a stunning photo from Unsplash. We then add a square shape to cover half the photo. Make sure it's the same background color. Next, let's add our text using the Text tool. Choose your desired font and size. I'll be using AlphaSlab 1. Resize the text and position it to fit. Now from the Layers panel, select both the text and shape layers. Merge both items by clicking OK. Next, go to Erase Color, tick the Enable button and click on Color Picker tool and click on Skin of the image. This will apply the text masking effect to our image. And that's it. You now have a stunning photo text masking effect using PixelLab. This effect is perfect for creating eye-catching posters, social media graphics, or even website headers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more graphic design tutorials and tricks. If you have any questions or requests, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.